guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hello, my name is Sophie and let's do the brows. I'm going to be using this blade, which is also what you need if you have not yet combed your brows. It's easier and safer to use this blade. Spoolie, I'm using an old mascara one. Concealer to cream your brows, I'm using this too. Pen, pencil or gel, I'm using a pencil. These are brushes that I'm going to be using. First, I'm starting off by grooming, removing the excess hairs. I'm focusing on the lower part of my brow, which is where most of my excess hairs grow. Focusing on the axe. Just like that. Easy peasy. I'm going to brush lightly and softly my brows to see if I still need to remove excess hairs or if I have longer hairs that I need to trim. I'm going to be doing the famous soap brows. You can use gel, your styling gel, your molding gel, your brow gel or whatever you have available. I'm brushing my brows upwards and outwards using the soap. That is going to help them stay in place. They don't move. They do not move. Can you see them? They don't move. Using the flatter surface of my spoolie, I'm going to press down the brows just like that. And then using a sharp pencil and a light hand, I'm going to define the shape of my brow. I took a small mirror so that I can see what exactly I am doing. Using a light hand, stroke like mimicking the shape of my brow, which is easier to do when you have combed your brows. See? At the upper part of my brow, this is a tip. I'm not starting where the brow have started. I'm going a little bit inner. To use a lighter hand, hold your pencil a bit further from the tip of the pencil. I'm doing the same thing to the other brow. Stroke like, lightly, following the shape of the brow. A bit inner, following the shape of the brow. Easy peasy. Very beginner friendly. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to fill in the brows, so come closer. Again, using a lighter hand, I'm going to mimic the hairs. I really don't fill in the front part of my brow so that I can have natural looking brow. Can you see how easy it is? You can do it. It's very easy. Fill in, fill in, fill in. Blending in the product using the same spoolie that I showed you guys. If you have an old mascara spoolie that you ran out of mascara, you can just wash that spoolie and it's going to work perfectly. If you are enjoying my videos so far, don't forget to like. Using this 2 shade of concealer, one that is close to my shade. There you go, and a swap for the one that is a bit lighter. The lighter one is going to go to my arc or inner corner of my brow, if that is a thing. the other one is going to go on the top and the beginning of my brow. Let's start. Can you see how I am placing it? I'm not using too much. Start kidogo, start small. Place it. I'm trying to use a light hand because I do not want to rub off my brows. Just do that and drag the concealer down. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, and share my content with your family and friends. Thank you. Now let's go to cleaning the front part of the brow using the one that is close to my shade. I'm dragging it towards the front part of my brow because also I do not want to have a lot more product at the front of my brow. That makes sense? I know it does. Can you see? Wow. Blend, blend, blend. I'm going to use my finger because it's warm, so it's easier to blend. Then using the brush again. Blend until you're satisfied by the blend, blend, blend. Now let's do the upper part using the one that is close to my shade. You can skip this part, or you can use your foundation, or you can use a concealer that is close to your shade. Blending with my finger. You know the finger has some warmth that makes it easier to blend. Onto the other brow. Oh my god, I'm sorry you can see this, but you're doing basically the same thing. Just like that. Brushing the front part so that I can have that natural looking brow. Defining my egg. Do what you have to do, okay? There are my brows. Can you see that? Yeah, there you go. There you go again. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Bye bye. Until next time. Love you. Peace out.